Hi, my name is Miriam and I'm with the Arenus team, and I'm here to talk to you today about our Sore No-More Performance liniment, and I have my good friend Brady here to help. Sore No-More Performance liniment is part of our performance line, and this is a really great liquid product that you can use to apply along the back. You can use it on legs, you can paint it on the soles of hooves. You can also put this just about anywhere you'd like to use it, and you can also use it under pads, wraps, blankets, polos, and you can use it before and after you ride. We developed the performance line to be FEI compliant, which means that it doesn't have any lobelia. We replaced lobelia with Comfrey. However, this product is also the same strength as the classic formula. You can always refill your 16 ounce with the 1 gallon, or you can always put this in a spray bottle to make it easier to apply. Like all of our Sore No-More products, Sore No-More liniment is also safe to use under any therapies, including hot and cold therapies or ceramic and magnetic therapies like our Benefab by Sore No-More line.